Hello our friend in social network, especially YouTube car technology, and thank you for our friend that subscribe my channel, watch, like, share, and comment also. In this video, I show our friend about how to reset ECT. How to reset ECT manual when we change the auto fluidity. Okay. Why we need to reset the ECM when we change the auto fluidity? Because for the transmission and the engine and the car is running smoothly. Okay. We two way for reset the memory when we change the auto fluidity. One way or two way or first or second. One way we use the computer for reset, and two way reset manual. Okay. How can reset ECT manual? Okay. So in this video, I show to our friend. Our friend can follow me. Okay. But when you before to follow me, you need to apply the parking brake, and then just shift the gear. Shift the gear. Okay. We reset manual. Okay. And then and then to use the and then change the gear. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is how to reset by the manual. Okay, you can reset the ECT by two way. One is use the computer for the reset, and two reset manual. When we reset the ECT, replace the ECT, change the auto fluid. Okay, when we change the auto fluid, and when we replace the ECT, you need to reset by manual and the computer. But in this video, I show our friend about to manual. Okay, manual we do like this. You understand? I hope that you can follow and can do by yourself when you change the auto fluidity. Okay, but the ECT computer or ECT ECM or ECT ECU, we need or we must be to use the GDS or computer for reset. Okay, but if you everyone change the auto fluid, no need to use the computer. You will reset to use manual. Manual we just like this. Okay, thanks our friend for watching in this my video. I hope that you can understand and can do yourself when you change the auto fluid ready. Okay. For our friend that didn't subscribe my channel, you can subscribe my channel and like and share my video also and comment also. Thank you for watching. I wish you, our friend, good luck, have a good healthy, and have a safety also. Bye bye. Thank you for watching in this video. Good luck.